Sneakers you should buy during the sneaker market crash. Let's go. I want to start this video off by letting you guys know that this is just my opinion. These are sneakers I think you guys should buy during the sneaker market crash. Some of these sneakers are steals, some of these sneakers are really good prices for what they are, and some of these sneakers will actually go up in price after the sneaker market crash. This first sneaker is hyped. There's a lot of hype for this model. They always sell out because retail is very low, and resale is usually double retail price. Sometimes resale is even more than double. The Yeezy Foam Runner in the Onyx colorway. I think the Onyx is a straight fire colorway, all black, very similar to the Mineral Blue. All black Yeezys usually do pretty well on the market. Resale is around 170 to 200 depending on the size. Foam runners are extremely comfortable. I love my Yeezy Foam Runners. These things are so comfy on feet. They're not for everybody. I get it because of the style, the look. However, try them on if you can. They're so comfortable. The black colorway is more toned down compared to some of the other colorways, and it's just an all black go-to everyday sneaker. I'm sure they'll release these possibly again in the future. There's always Yeezy restocks, especially in slides and foam runners, but I definitely think this is a good buy. They're clean, they're fire, and they're comfortable. Free military black Air Jordan 4 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, let me know your size in the Air Jordan 4 military black. This giveaway ends at the end of July, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of military black Jordan 4s, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what sneaker you guys want me to give away next month. This next sneaker, we're apparently getting a restock in August. The Tom Sachs general purpose sneaker, Nike Craft sneaker right here. If you like Tom Sachs, if you like this sneaker, I think it's a good time to go ahead and cop. Watch out for the restock. It might be this colorway or possibly the other colorway. We'll have to wait and see. If the restock in August is not this colorway and this was the only drop, these will skyrocket in price, in my opinion. However, if the restock in August is this colorway, they will tank in price. They're going for anywhere from 300 to like 500 depending on size. And that price is cheaper than other Tom Sachs Nike collaborations. This is actually the cheapest Tom Sachs Nike sneaker you can buy right now. So if you're looking for a hype collaboration, Tom Sachs, and you like the general purpose boring shoe, go ahead and cop, man. I think these are actually not that bad. Not something I personally would wear. However, it's still, you know, a hype sneaker. This next sneaker has actually dropped in value. The Air Jordan 1 Bread Toe. Resale was around 170, 180. It has dropped because of so many restocks and the sneaker market crash. They are sitting at around 120, 130 depending on size. This is a very clean, wearable colorway on the Jordan 1 Low. It is not an OG low, but it's still the Jordan 1 Low in the Bread Toe colorway. Very clean, easy to wear, easy to match, and resale is not expensive over retail at all. This is a pair of Air Jordan 1s I do see going back up in price. Not right now. That's why I think it's a good time to buy them now, but I definitely see them going back up, creeping back up in price as time goes on. Don't sleep. Don't forget about the Bread Toe Air Jordan 1 Low. This video is sponsored by Sole Premise, the best sneaker bags in the game. Check this out. Sole Premise bags. This is the daily bag. It's amazing. Every Sole Premise bag has compartments to store your sneakers when you're traveling. So right here I have a pair of Nike Dunks. On the bottom, I also have a pair of Air Jordan 1s. I have room for my laptop, clothes, anything I need. This is just the daily bag. There's more compartments in the front. They also make a bigger bag as well that holds even more pairs of sneakers. They also make duffel bags, carry-on bags, luggage bags, all different types of bags. All Sole Premise bags are TSA approved, so you can carry them with you on the plane. I definitely recommend checking out Sole Premise with my link down below in the description, and use the code DannyMoore at checkout. That code, my name, Danny Moore, will give you 40% off your entire order from SolePremise.com. This right here is the daily bag in white. I love it so much. I have it in this yellow mustard color as well. Sole Premise has a ton of different bags, all different colors, all different styles. They all have compartments to store your sneakers. These bags are perfect sneakerheads. When you're traveling, make sure you guys travel with Sole Premise sneaker bags. Click my link down below. Danny Moore, 40% off your entire order. Thank you, Sole Premise. Now let's get back to this fire, straight fire video. Travis Scott collaboration going for cheap? That is crazy. Let's talk about this next sneaker. The Travis Scott Nike Air Max trainers. Both colorways are not reselling for much over retail at all. You can get them for basically retail. There's not much resale on these sneakers at all. If you're looking to buy a Travis Scott Nike sneaker and don't want to spend a lot of money at all, this is your go-to right now in the market. Personally, I'm not a fan of the Travis Scott Air Max trainers. I don't really care about Air Max trainers in general, but it is Travis Scott. It is a clean colorway. There's two clean colorways, wearable colorways. They're good sneakers overall. Make sure you guys cop them. Don't sleep on these Travis Scott sneakers going for about retail. That is crazy. Another all black pair of Yeezys on this list. I'm telling you guys, all black Yeezys are still where it's at. The black 350 V2 Onyx. The Onyx colorway is fire. The first truly all-black Yeezy 350 V2. They're clean, they're wearable. If you want an all-black 350 V2 and do not want to spend $400 or $500 like some of the other colorways are, this right now is your go-to. They're under like $250, $260. They're going for a really good price. And they're clean, they're wearable. You really can't beat spending a few bucks over retail for a 350 V2 in an all-black colorway that you can wear all of the time. Now watch out, I'm sure we're gonna get more restocks of these as well, so that price will probably come down. Hey, if you can get them for retail, it's a really good solid cop. The Onyx colorway is an easy go-to everyday sneaker. They're fire, man. You can't go wrong with an all black Yeezy. We talked about the all black Yeezys, now we gotta get into the all white Yeezys. The Yeezy 350 V2 Bone, and it's reselling for retail and some sizes less than retail. That is crazy considering the 350 V2 Cream, remember these? Restocked like crazy. These are selling for like $400 or $500. So if you want a very clean, all-white 350 V2, the Bone is your go-to right now in the market. You can get them for basically retail, maybe a little bit less. It's a really good deal if you want some all-white Yeezys. You got your black Yeezys, you got your white Yeezys. Make sure you guys go cop. Don't sleep on these Yeezy releases right now during the sneaker market crash. These black and white colorways are just really good everyday sneakers. We have another pair of Air Jordan 1s on this list. You guys know I love my Air Jordan 1s. I cannot get enough of them. The Air Jordan 1 Low Bleach Coral. This sneaker is straight fire. I need to go buy a pair like now. The color blocking is perfect on this sneaker. It's so good with where they put the colors, along with that pink on the toe, on the heel. It is straight fire in that really nice, you know, looks like suede or nubuck material. Resell is not much over retail at all. It's like 10 bucks over retail, 20 bucks over retail. Do not sleep on these. I definitely think they will creep up in price. Not now during the crash. These are clean. These are straight fire and remind me a lot of some other very expensive Air Jordan 1 that resells for thousands of dollars. These are absolutely fire. Don't sleep on the Bleach Coral Jordan 1 Low right now, guys. They're fire. Another Air Jordan 1, the Jordan 1 Low Mystic Navy. Once again, another fire, clean colorway of the Air Jordan 1 Low. They remind me so much of the Royals, so it's not really a must for me, but they are clean, they are fire. The materials, the leather looks really good on this pair. Make sure you guys don't sleep on the Mystic Navy Jordan 1 Low. Once again, get them for around retail plus shipping. It's a really good sneaker. If you don't have Royals, if you don't have any other black or blue Air Jordan 1s, these are a go. They're very affordable, easy to wear. Once again, another fire, straight fire Air Jordan 1 Low. This next sneaker is holding up very well during the sneaker market crash. The Air Jordan 4 Taupe Haze is still around $400+ during the sneaker market crash. That means the hype, the demand for this sneaker is still there during the market crash, which means they are going to go up in price later on down the road. If you want this sneaker for personal, hey, you should have copped them already. If you haven't, I think you might want to do it because I just see them holding their value. and going up even during this wild time in the sneaker market. This sneaker is fire. It's a Jordan 4, which is very, very hyped. It does have that Travis Scott kind of theme to it, although it's not a collab at all. But that colorway, that color blocking is really good. It's a good sneaker. At the end of the day, it's wearable, and the hype is still there for this Jordan 4 during the crash. Don't forget about the Topaz 4s. I just think they're going to become more expensive. They're holding on in the sneaker market crash right now, guys. Don't sleep on them. Now, this next sneaker, in my opinion, is gonna go up in price. They're reselling right now for around $200 in grade school sizes. These are just straight fire. If you want them, especially in grade school, I think now's the time to buy them. Get them for around $200. I definitely see them going up to around $300. And it will, in my opinion, happen during the crash. I still think this is one of those shoes that will still go up in price. The military black Air Jordan 4 in the grade school sizes. $200, I think they're a good hold nonetheless, and gonna go up to like $280, $300. Men's pairs are reselling still for around $300. Those will eventually go up in price as well. Don't sleep. Do not forget about the military black Air Jordan 4. Very wearable, very clean. The Air Jordan 4 is very hyped right now, and this is just a straight fire, wearable colorway. And make sure you guys cop military black Jordan 4s during the sneaker market crash. Free military black Air Jordan 4 giveaway. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 4 military black. This giveaway ends at the end of July. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. Also, please do not forget to smash that subscribe button. Join the More family. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.